Imagine, if you will, an old, battered toolbox, a relic from another time, lost in the corner of an old, damp garage. A chest of steel that holds the instruments of a craftsman's trade. But time is a cruel overseer, and the once pristine tools that have become corroded, forgotten, their edges dulled, their surfaces consumed by rust. They wait in silence, prisoners of oxidation, relics of a past usefulness. But fate, like time, is unpredictable. Enter one man, an ordinary soul with extraordinary patience. His name is Tom, and he doesn't know it yet, but he is about to take on the role of savior, armed only with a bottle of vinegar and a belief that everything deserves a second chance. What he doesn't realize is that these tools are more than just metal and rust. They have a past. It's the middle ground between light and shadow, between science and superstition. It lies between the pit of man's fears and the summit of his knowledge. He is about to open the dimension of imagination we call the Toolbox Zone. Exhibit A. In a world that discards the old for the new, one man refused to let time and decay claim what was lost. What lies beneath the surface is often ignored by the unobservant, the lazy, the untrained. Even the simplest of restorations may reveal more than just the metal beneath. It's a doorway to history, each with their own story to tell in the Toolbox Zone.